Here are the features on your front panel, separated into two sections, one for channel A and one for channel B. Power switch, LCD display, IR infrared port, scan button for channel A, scan button for channel B, volume channel A, volume channel B. Here is your rear panel. Antenna channel 1, antenna channel 2, DC input, 1/4 inch jack audio mix out, channel A balance LXLR audio out, channel B balance XLR audio out. First, let us add the 4 antennas into the receiver port so that your receiver can capture the incoming radio waves. To do so, find the slots of the antenna. Notice there is 2 ridges on the left and right. That is the locking mechanism. Align the slots and the antenna will fit just right in. Turn it clockwise until you hear a click sound. Do that for the other side. Make sure you space the antennas. They are decently spaced apart from each other. This gives the antennas the space to properly receive radio frequencies from all sides. Now, to power up the device. Take your DC power supply and connect it to the power supply. Once you have done that, you're all set. First steps first. Uncover your handheld cover to locate the battery placement spot. Then, insert 2 AA batteries. Pro tip, get rechargeable ones to save future cost. Once you have done that, just press and hold the power button. If you press the scan button, the receiver will start its scanning sweep state. When the receiver is entering the scanning sweep state, it is automatically designed to locate the cleanest frequency point. You are ready to connect your chosen transmitter. Press scan and hold the microphone to the IR port. Hold the microphone for about 5 seconds, aligned with the port. When the frequency of the receiver is the same that is displayed by the transmitter, the docking is successful. Note that any changes done to the receiver will not affect the microphone. You will need to perform the scan and sync feature again. To adjust your audio level, you can use the increase and decrease button for respectively channel A and channel B. To increase, press up. To decrease, press down. Do that so for channel B. Now lastly, to lock your settings. If you are set in your chosen settings, press set and hold until the lock icon pops up. To unlock your device, press set and hold again until the lock icon disappears.